Shubor naga Snem jong nong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad ke Sangma mentah kesengi ulah keren Shai bagi senong Mukroh ke pura hapo ke Jela Meghalaya nadu ke Jingthoh au Snem arajar khatway ulang bagi wei kisnong ki badan khamshaneng ke senong Mukroh kila ban hap hapo ke blok 1 hendai umla ban len bagi senong Mukroh hi barok ke wei kadang pura hapo ke Jela Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba ulang bahakum kani kapor bakadang yat ke jinge keren halor ki kam khaput hapdeng ga Assam ke Meghalaya baro artali ki Jela ki de bandan ke jinge trailang lada ja kum kinu ki jingja khana makanum dan kanu ke jingja basngosi hadin ulaban rab bakanum de bandan kanu ke jingde jubor la kalong ke sarkar ki pulet lani ki tenat trai kam bapher kum baka ja kani ke jingde don bor ki pulet ka Assam.
When we met the Honorable Home Minister, he used the word immediately. So therefore, it will be coming out from the Government of India. But as I said, we were informed and we were told by the Honorable Home Minister that it will be done immediately. In fact, he told us that he will immediately put it out in press, that they are going to constitute it. But of course, as I said, it's Government of India. But we will press on them that it should be done ASAP. So I'll be speaking to Home Secretary again today. So we already have a platoon there that is already camping in Mukroh. So that will just be regularized and they will continue there. We will not be moving them out. The entire thought process of resolving the border issue has been because of these atrocities and because of the fact that people living in the border areas have been suffering and a lot of atrocities have taken place. And that's the reason why we felt and we realized that the border solution is the only way to make sure that this is put at a stop once and for all. And hence, very aggressively we started, doing this exercise and moving forward. And while we did that, the Assam government and the Meghalaya government have been closely coordinating to ensure that any kind of small tensions that come up should be resolved quickly and it should not be allowed to escalate into any level. Development works of central government agencies, be it done by whichever government, should be allowed. So therefore, this entire process was going on. And in a large number of cases, the different situations that were there, we were able to control a large number of cases and situations that arose. But yes, this unfortunate incident happened. And there have been in the past reports coming in of tension. As soon as we get the information, at my level also I talk to my counterpart, the DCs speak to their counterparts, the chief secretaries speak to their counterparts. So this is a continuous effort that is going on. But obviously the situation that happened has now brought light to this entire thing. And it will be stressed again that this entire tension and pressure at the border areas has to be reduced, and no police or no government or no department can act in the way that the Assam government responded and the Assam police, responded at that time. Clearly stated, even from the 2011 reports, Mukroh is very much in Meghalaya. The areas beyond that, few meters and exact distance I would not know, but ahead of Mukroh, then starts the area of PCR Khandoli, which is there as area of differences, and then from the PCR Khandoli area, that section, then starts the block 1, block 2 section out there. So therefore, Mukroh itself is very much in Meghalaya. There's no question about that. We put up a judicial inquiry being headed by Justice Shai. And this has been the larger overall demand that has come from everybody, that there should be a CBI inquiry by a central agency, and that's why we moved ahead with it. As I said, we have set up our own SIT, but this SIT will hand over the case to the CBI.
Any update on the arrest of anyone who were involved in the violent incidents?
In which one?
Nobody was arrested.
Yes, that is on, and action will be taken.
Anybody picked up?
We'll give you information at the time.
Habaya kren halor ke jingya rally bat ke jing pelong jingya ki de ki kan hon sek bhalang bapher halor gani ke jingja hamukro menteri rangba ulai thu ba ki nong yalam jo ki seng bhalang kile thu hu bakin pelong ke jingya ki ka bajai jai ha ka ba ki nong yalam jo gini ki seng kila maham ru ye ki brio jong ki bakim dei ban penmi kanu ke jingkol mar ha kani ke jingya ki.
There's based, you see, there are 2-3 things to this. In the rally that was held later on, that was given to us information, it's always mentioned it's a peaceful sit-in demonstration. It is a candle vigil, and therefore it's very peaceful in nature. If you remember, during that time when this violence broke out, even the leaders of those NGOs were shouting and telling their own people that don't do this, we're not coming here for the violence, this is not correct. But then they could not control that time. So it's something that was in a way unexpected. So when the situation is there, everybody is concerned, everybody is emotional, and therefore a bit of space was given so that they could pay respects to the thing. What happened, if you saw the next day, then other organizations wanted to find a place, they could not find a place, and they finally held their peaceful demonstration. It went off very peacefully. So just like that. So I think the organizations at that point in time, there were some individuals and some members who reacted. But the organization itself had told us and assured us that they'll be having peaceful dialogue.